Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Saint International supermodel Tammy Williams, now included in Victoria's Secret legacy. The 19-year-old Jamaican modeling sensation is now a model for immensely popular lingerie and swimwear brand Victoria's Secret. Debuting on the company's e-commerce platform last month, the young beauty modeled a variety of looks that include the brand's new cotton logo strap scoop bralettes and embellished strap push-up bras for their new campaign. The stunning beauty, who is ranked among the world's top 50 models, recently received the Prime Minister's Youth Award for International Achievement and remains unrivaled as the island's biggest model success story. In news overseas, surviving R. Kelly triggers controversy and now possible legal action. The R&B singing sensation could be facing an investigation in Georgia after the airing of the Lifetime documentary series Surviving R. Kelly, which chronicled allegations of abuse, predatory behavior, and pedophilia against the singer. An attorney for the family of Joycelyn Savage, one of the women featured in Surviving R. Kelly, has since been contacted by the Fulton County District Attorney, who is interested in conducting an investigation into Kelly. According to the attorney, he was asked to provide a list of witnesses in regards to events that allegedly took place in Kelly's house in Atlanta in 2017. The six-part docu-series, which debuted last week, featured accounts from accusers and interviews with Kelly's close friends and family. Also included appearances from musician John Legend, Me Too founder Tarana Burke, and talk show host Wendy Williams. In response, R. Kelly's lawyer maintains that the documentary was filled with false allegations and has suggested that subjects are defaming his client for personal gain. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.